market.
Okalaba kano kagamba ki?
Bobi Wine, victory or revolution?
Sabalabala ku Bobi Wine.
Kozi waliwo tugamba ki mukatabako?
Mukataba kuno nabagamba ti abantu abafanana nga Bobi Wine America Beyagala. And I give you examples. Nimbaga nti Bobi Wine omumuzanyira kumulugulidde ku pata. Is it a
so does US have an interest in Bobi Wine?
Ate kati mwawedde.
How?
Mwawedde. Nabagamba. Secondly, in my conclusion, politicians like Bobi Wine underestimated by their rivals. Paulo Muwanga underestimated Yoweri Museveni and concentrated his efforts on Dr. Kaira because Kaira had a strong political base, had a PhD in criminology, which he attained from the United States University. And he was a strong Catholic and in Uganda. Museveni's triumph in the 80s was a surprise to many. What about Frederick Chiruba, who defeated Dr. Kenneth Kaunda in Zambia? Kaunda used to ridicule the trade unionists as a political novice, who was even a Congolese. What happened? Chiruba later took over power. Has anyone forgotten the recent American election? Obama dismissed Trump in the presidential campaigns, arguing that governing America was a task more difficult than hosting a television talk show, because Trump was a talk show host like you. Obama arrogantly pointed out that having been a president of the United States for 8 years, he was sure that Trump could not be voted into power. He witnessed the same for Trump being sworn in as a president in the White House. I summarize. Muganda summarizes all of this with a warning. Tokayanga chezinze, which can be loosely translated as never underestimate a coiled snake. If it uncoils its body, you can be overwhelmed. As a case in soccer, there is no weak team in soccer. God bless you. Completed on Sunday 23rd July 2017 at my residence in Zana.